Fair enough from me now, and let us look at key indicators of healthcare to see what is the picture here as of 2019. These indicators are official and provided by the National Statistics Office of Georgia, Geostat.
Yes, Georgi, the report, which is quite interesting, shows that in 2019, 265 hospitals operated in Georgia, with about 18,000 hospital beds, up from 2018, 16,000 then. Utilization of one hospital bed amounted to about 5 days, no change here since 2018, and bed occupancy rate 179.5 days, down from 2018, which was 187 days then.
And the number of outpatient facilities was 2,280. Number of visits in medical institutions equaled 13,470, which is 9.8% more compared to 2018. Also in 2019, about 32,000 physicians were employed in Georgia, and main staff increased by 748 persons compared to previous year.
Yes, one interesting tendency here, Georgi, is that as of 2019, the number of nurses increased by 8.8% compared to 2018 and amounted to 19,613 persons. Also in 2019, the number of registered cases of diseases diagnosed for the first time decreased by 11% compared to previous year. During the last 10 years, this indicator reached a maximum level in 2015.
Yes, Elena, and from what the Geostat recent report shows, we can say with certainty that the number of registered cases diagnosed for the first time is characterized by a decreasing trend in most of the major disease groups compared to 2018.
Yes. As for the most common diseases from 20 main disease groups, the most common in the population are diseases of the respiratory systems, about 33%, diseases of the digestive organs, 17%, and diseases of the circulatory system, about 8%.
And from medical sector to construction sector, with recent official figures as well. According to official declared data, 4,169 permissions granted were issued by and in January-June 2020. It's 16.5% less compared to the same month of previous year. For construction of buildings of 2,576,000 square meters, which is around 27% less compared to the same month of the previous year.
It should be noted that 78.3% of the total permits have been issued in 4 regions of the country, namely 56% of the construction works located in Tbilisi, about 10% in Kfemu-Kartli region, about 6% in Imereti regions, and same 6% in Inajara region.
In January-June 2020, permissions were issued for the construction of multifunctional residential complexes, hotels, trade facilities, industrial enterprises, agricultural objects, and other buildings. The relatively large share of the permissions granted hold the multifunctional residential complexes. And
more than half of the total completed construction are distributed in 4 regions of the country, namely 29% is located in Tbilisi, 14% in Kakheti region, 12% in Imereti region, and 9% in Kfemu-Kartli. Also, 810 objects, which is around 35% less compared to the same months of the previous year, of 758.8 thousand square meters, which is in its turn around 45% less compared to the same months of the previous year, were completed in January-June 2020.